Hi, it's Emily, and thank you so much for clicking this video. So this video is going to be my last Halloween look for this year, and this one is going to be off of Gamora from Guardians of the Galaxy. I had so much fun creating this look, and I think this is definitely my favorite Halloween look out of this year, just because I love this character so much, and I relate to her in a lot of ways, and I think she's just so badass and cool, and so I think it was really fun to become her and transform into her. If you're a Guardians of the Galaxy fan, please leave a comment down below of what your favorite character out of the group is, and also please give this video a big thumbs up if you liked it. I'll make sure to link my other two Halloween looks in the description bar down below so you can go check those out if you want. Also make sure to subscribe if you haven't joined the family already, and let's jump into the tutorial. I'm starting off with completely clean skin, and I'm first going to lay down my eyebrows, and I'm first going to do that by taking some Axe styling gel and just bring that through my eyebrows to place them down. I went over in a couple layers of this just to make sure that my brows were down completely and wouldn't go anywhere. Then to set the gel, I'm going to take the RCMA translucent powder and set that on top. I'm first going to start off by color correcting my brows just because I have really dark hair and I want to make sure that it can get covered as much as it can. And so I'm going to be taking some of the red and the yellow from this Eye Magic cream palette and mixing it together and putting that on top of my brows. After I set that down, I'm just going to be setting it again with powder and doing a couple layers of that. I then took my Tarte Shape Tape Concealer as well as my Everyday Hourglass Vanish Foundation and put those over my brows to cover them up. I'm then just going to set that with more of the RCMA powder. Then to start marking out where her scars go, I'm going to take the NYX Jumbo Eye Pencil in Milk and start lightly tracing those out so I can follow them. I'm then going to be going in with some Macron Rigid Collodion, and this is a scarring liquid, and I chose to use this since she does actually have scars on her face, and so I'm going to be going over all of the white lines that we just created with this to really make the effect. I probably did about 8 to 9 layers until I got the effect that I wanted. After those are done, I'm going to go back into the Eye Magic palette and pick up a bunch of that green and start placing it all over my face for the foundation. After I have that done, I'm going to mix some of the green and yellow to create a little brighter of a color and put that as her highlight points. I make sure to set every step just to make sure the cream doesn't move, and I'm always going to be using the RCMA No Color powder. I'm then going to be using the darkest green from the Morphe and James Charles palette to add some contour to the face. For her lips, I put the same green cream on top, and then I set it with the green from the James Charles palette. Then for my scars, I'm going to go back into the Eye Magic palette and pick up some of the silver and start going over them so we can make our scars look like hers. I then went over the scars with Divine from the Jeffree Star Cosmetics Thirsty palette just to really make them pop and shine. I then give myself a little bit of liner with the Kat Von D tattoo liner. And then followed up with mascara, and for that I used the Tarte Lights Camera Lashes. I then tight lined my waterline with the NYX Jumbo Pencil in Black Bean. I noticed Gamora has a little bit of gloss on her lips, and so for that I'm going to be using the Fenty Beauty Gloss Bomb in Diamond Milk. And here is the final look. Thank you so much for watching this. I really hope you enjoyed it. I think this is definitely my favorite Halloween look I did out of this year just because I love this character so much and I had so much fun transforming into her. But if you like this look as well, please make sure to give this video a big thumbs up as well as subscribe if you haven't joined the family already, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.